In this video, we will walk you through several common methods to help you transfer music from an external hard drive to an iPhone. Part 1. How to transfer music from external hard drive to iPhone with iTunes. However, be aware that iTunes Sync will delete any existing music files on your iPhone, so be sure to back up your data before proceeding. Step 1. Connect your external hard drive to the computer and open the latest version of iTunes. Step 2. In iTunes, navigate to File, add File to Library to import the music files from your USB into the iTunes library. Step 3. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable, then click on the device icon at the top of iTunes. Step 4. Select the music menu on the left side and check the Sync Music option. Step 5. Choose either entire music library or selected playlists, artists, albums, and genres to sync as needed. Step 6. Click Apply or Sync at the bottom right, and wait for the sync to complete. Part 2. How to transfer music from external hard drive to iPhone without iTunes. iOS Transfer is a data management software designed specifically for iOS users, allowing you to directly transfer music, photos, videos, and other files from your computer, external hard drive, USB drive, and other devices to your iPhone without relying on iTunes. Step 1. Launch iOS. Transfer and connect both your iPhone and external hard drive to the computer. Once your iPhone is detected by the program, you'll see an interface like the one below. Step 2. Click Music in the left side menu to enter the music management screen. Then, click the plus button in the top menu and select Add File or Add Folder to choose the music files you want to transfer from your external hard drive to your iPhone. Step 3. Select the songs you need and click Open to begin the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, go to the Music app on your iPhone to check and enjoy the transferred music. Part 3. How to transfer music from USB drive to iPhone using Dropbox. Step 1. Connect the USB drive or external hard drive to your computer, then open a browser and visit the Dropbox website, or log into your account using the Dropbox app. Step 2. In Dropbox, click Upload Files, select the music files from the USB drive or external hard drive, and click Upload to save them to your Dropbox account. Step 3. Download and install the Dropbox app on your iPhone, then open the app and log in with the same account used to upload the files from your computer. Step 4. Browse through the Dropbox app and locate the uploaded music files. Click on the music file you want to download, and select Save to Device or Play directly within the app.